Hello, Peachies. Welcome back to Dear Peachy. If you're dealing with things like rough, uneven skin, back acne that just won't go away, little bumps like strawberry skin, or even just feeling like your skin is never as soft and smooth as it should be, these are the signs that your body needs a little more care from you. A lot of the time, it comes down to something much more basic: how you're showering and how you're taking care of your skin every day. Good hygiene is the foundation of any glow-up. You can invest in the best skincare, find your signature scent, or build the perfect routine, but if your hygiene isn't on point, none of that really works. There's no point smelling like expensive perfume if underneath it you still smell a little questionable. And most people think they know how to shower, but they're actually doing it in the wrong order or missing key steps without realizing it. So today, we are going to show you how to properly take a bath and do your body care the right way, step by step, so you can actually get clean, fix those skin issues, and achieve that soft, healthy head-to-toe glow. Let's begin with the face, because your face deserves the most attention. When you step into a warm, steamy bathroom, your pores open up. This is the perfect moment to cleanse your face, because if you wait until later, dirt and oils can sink deeper and cause breakouts. But before you touch your face, don't forget to wash your hands. They carry way more bacteria than you might think. Also, brush your teeth first. This might sound extra, but it actually helps get rid of leftover toothpaste and fluoride residue around your mouth that can dull your skin or trigger tiny breakouts. Now, about water temperature. Forget the myths about hot or cold water shrinking pores. Instead, pick what's best for your skin. If you have oily skin, warm water helps dissolve oil and dirt. For dry skin, avoid warm water because it strips your natural oils, leaving your skin tight even if you layer on creams afterward. And if your skin is sensitive, lukewarm water about the temperature of your wrist will protect your skin barrier and prevent redness. Start by splashing water on your face to soften dead skin cells. Take a small amount of cleanser, about the size of half your pinky finger, and lather it into a foam before putting it on your skin. Massage the foam upwards at a 45-degree angle. Pores grow downward, so moving straight up and down only cleans the surface. Gently focus on oily areas like your forehead, nose bridge, and sides of your nose. Don't skip tricky spots like between your eyebrows, the philtrum under your nose, along the jawline up to the temples, around the eyes, and near the hairline. The cleanser foam shouldn't be left on your skin for more than 1 minute. If your skin squeaks like a clean plate, that's too much. You want your skin to feel clean but soft and comfortable. When it comes to showering, the goal is actually just to clean your skin and wash away dirt, not to completely disinfect your body. We know some of you love taking really hot showers, the kind that feels like it could literally cook you, but still somehow feels warm and comfy. But the truth is, water that's too hot can actually damage your skin barrier. It strips away your natural oils, which then causes your skin to lose moisture, leaving it dry, tight, and sometimes even cracked over time. A simple way to check your water temperature is to use the back of your hand. If it feels hot, then it's already too hot for your skin. Ideally, your shower should be around body temperature, roughly 38 degrees Celsius. Let the warm water soak your skin for a bit. Then, go in with your shower gel or soap. Lather it up using your hands or whatever tool you're using until you get a nice foam, and then gently apply it over your arms, neck, chest, back, and legs. You can use a washcloth, bath sponge, or body brush to help clean your body, but avoid low-quality loofahs as they can damage skin and harbor bacteria. Always dry these tools after use, and don't overuse them. 1 to 2 times per week is enough. If you have an acne-prone back, avoid scrubbing it. But try a body wash with salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, or sulfur, leaving it on for a few minutes before rinsing a couple of times per week. If your skin is dry or peeling, skip standard shower gels and go for a moisturizing shower gel or shower oil. When it comes to private areas, water alone is sufficient. Skip soaps or specialized washes to maintain natural balance. And pay attention to hidden dirt. Areas like your underarm, behind your ears, and your belly button need extra attention because they tend to accumulate dirt. Your underarm can benefit from using makeup remover oil to break down sweat and sebum. Behind the ears, gently wipe with a tissue or small towel with a bit of shower gel, then rinse. For your belly button, let the warm water soften the dirt and gently lift it away with a cotton swab. Never pick. Exfoliation is also important, but only once a week. After washing your body, apply a body scrub containing oils to rough or darkened areas like your knees, underarm, butt cheeks, heels, chest, and back. Massage in circular motions for about 15 seconds per area, then rinse. If you're using a brush or cloth, alternate exfoliation on different days. Don't forget your feet. They sweat a lot and are prone to fungal growth, so clean between the toes and scrub the soles thoroughly. Finally, it's time to wash your hair. By now, the steam has softened your scalp and opened your hair cuticles, which is perfect for shampooing. Well, we will not go in depth in how to wash your hair step by step here, since we have made a video on that previously, but here is the general steps you should follow. Wet your hair thoroughly and lather shampoo in your palm. Then, start focusing on the oiliest parts of your scalp first, the middle of the cranial and hairline, then massage over the entire head. Rinse thoroughly to remove all residue. Conditioner should only be applied to the lengths below your ears, and rinse it out with slightly cooler water to close the cuticles. Try to avoid letting hair products run down your back, as this can cause breakouts. After showering, don't skip post-shower care. Apply body care products within 3 minutes of towel drying to lock in moisture while your pores are receptive. Choose products that matches your skin type. If your skin is dry, go for thick creams, shea butter, ceramide-rich formulas, or oil-based lotions. Layering body oils before lotion works beautifully too. For keratosis pilaris, also known as chicken skin, focus on chemical exfoliation and deep hydration. Look for lotions with lactic acid, salicylic acid, urea, or glycolic acid. You can even apply these acids directly and layer lotion afterward. Avoid strong active ingredients like vitamin C or alpha-arbutin that might irritate sensitive skin. If your goal is brightening, look for lotions with vitamin C, niacinamide, kojic acid, or exfoliants like AHAs combined with deep moisturizers like body oil or shea butter. These help remove dead skin cells, hydrate, and even skin tone. Again, you can apply an exfoliant first, then a body oil followed by a hydrating lotion. And one super important note, if you're using brighteners or chemical exfoliating products, always protect your skin from the sun, whether with sunscreen or physical protection, because these ingredients make your skin more sensitive to UV exposure. So at the end of the day, it's not about using the most expensive products or having a complicated routine. It's about doing the basics correctly and being consistent with it. When you follow the right sequence and actually understand how to care for your body in the shower and post-shower, you'll start to notice real changes, from smoother skin to fewer breakouts and an overall healthier glow. Take this as your sign to reset your routine. Pay attention to the little details and treat your shower as part of your self-care, not just something you rush through. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye!